Are you new to social media? You are wondering, you are overwhelmed, you are confused on how to begin. You like the things you say on social media. You too, you want to have a business on social media. You don't know how to go about it. Come with me. Let me tell you how to begin.
And it goes a little something like,
How can you love you all summer and after I'll keep.
Today, I am going to show you exactly how to use social media to your own advantage and start building something meaningful in the digital world. Are you a stay-home mom? Are you a new graduate? Are you a retiree? Are you a grandpa, a grandma? Hi, my name is Edna. I help women build confidence in content creation and start their digital business, even if they are starting from the scratch. If that's something you are interested in, don't forget to subscribe and join this growing community of us. As somebody who wants to begin a social media, number 1 point is choose one platform. Be it YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. But you must see that platform that you choose is monetized in whatever country or locality you reside. Choose one platform. Go deep, not wide, as a beginner. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to be everywhere at once. I made that mistake before. I never knew, I didn't understand. Start with just one platform, like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. You want to master one platform before expanding. When you use all the platform from the very beginning, you end up becoming overwhelmed and inconsistency. You will be tired. That's why I'm recommending that you start one platform. Go deep, not wide. And I recommend that you pick one platform and commit to it for at least 30 to 60 days. Learn the platform. Learn how it works. What type of content perform well on that platform. Understand and know when your audience is active. You want to know how people engage with content on that platform. For example, if you love speaking and teaching like I do, you want to start with YouTube. If you love shorts, quick video, you are somebody that make fun, you want to start with TikTok. And also, if you are somebody who enjoy visual and lifestyle, Instagram is another great platform. And when you master one platform, growth becomes easier, and then you can expand. Remember, when you are focused, when your eyes is single, the whole body will be full of lights. So start with one platform. Go deep and not wide. For consistency and not overwhelming. Point 2, focus on value, not perfection. You don't need a perfect camera or a perfect setup to start. Start where you are and what you have. The other day, I was telling my husband in the car, I saw this family on Facebook in their house, an uncompleted building that was roofed And the kitchen wasn't perfect. The walls wasn't even plastered. But I so love how the man and the wife was confident about what building a business online. They were creating videos in that condition. What people are looking for is value. What they can learn from you. So you can just use simple tools. A lot of beginners delay starting because they feel like everything has to be perfect. No, like having a camera, lighting, the background. As I'm making this video, I don't have a special lighting. It's every light that I have in my house that I'm using. But I have it in mind. I don't know why I always forget. That is good. But if you can't afford it, you want to start with what you have. Sunlight, if you have a window, big window, a wide window in your house, it's also good. It can also lighten your content creation. You don't want to pay attention to that. It's value from the beginning that matters. Let me tell you the truth. People are not looking for perfection. They are looking for value. People want answers. They want help. They want solutions. So instead of asking, is my video perfect? You want to ask, is this video useful? Is it helpful? Can people resonate with it? Is there any lesson that people can get from this content? That is what you should worry about. So you can start with your phone. A simple, like I said, tool like Canva to create clean visual or thumbnails. What matters most is, are you teaching something? Are you inspiring someone? Are you solving a problem? When you focus on value, your audience will grow naturally. So, focus on value, not perfection. Point number 3, you want to be consistent because consistency builds trust. Be consistent. Consistency is one of the most important things in this journey called digital marketing or social media, whatever you want to call it. You don't need to post every single day as a content creator, but you need to show up regularly because your friends online want to see you. Why? Because consistency builds trust. They want to trust you. Remember, this is online. It's not one-on-one, flesh to flesh. No. When people see you showing up again and again, they begin to recognize you. They begin to trust you. They begin to learn from you. So you can start simple. Maybe probably 3 times a week if you can. Or even 2 times a week. The key is to stay consistent, not perfect. And remember, consistency beats motivation anytime. It builds trust and relationship, which is very important as a digital entrepreneur or as a content creator. Number 4, very important, solve problems. What lessons have you learned in life? What are the things around you that you want to change? Things that you want to see change or improve. This is how you grow fast. If you really want to grow on social media, the secret is solve problems. Every time you create content, think about your audience. Think about what people are struggling with in the society. Ask yourself, what am I struggling with? What are the people struggling with? What are they confused about? What do they want to learn? For example, your audience might be struggling with how to start, what to post, how to grow, how to make money online. So your content should answer these questions. When your content solves problems, people watch longer. Remember, so many people are so impatient when it comes to content, viewing content on social media. So you want to be able to answer their questions. So your content should answer their questions and make them watch longer. So share your content. You want to make content that answers people's questions. And when your content solves problems, people will watch longer. They will share your content. They will follow you more. And that's how growth happens. Remember, I'm speaking from experience. Point number 5, you want to use the right tools. Work smarter, not harder. What am I talking about? You don't have to do everything manually. No. There are tools that make your journey easier. For example, I talk about Canva that will help you to design your content, your thumbnails or social media posts. Thumbnail that people will see and want to check your content. And if you are on YouTube, you also have tools like TubeBuddy that can help people find your videos. Number 6, turn attention into income. This is the goal. From the very beginning, that is the purpose for creating a platform or a page online. So you want to be intentional. It is business. Social media is not just for posting, as I thought from the beginning. It's a powerful business tool. Once you start getting attention, you can turn that into income. For example, you can recommend products and earn through affiliate marketing. You can create and sell digital products. You can even become a digital entrepreneur through what? Investments. You can partner with brands. Many people today are building real income stream from their contents. And the best part is this: you too can start and grow over time. Imagine, as a stay-at-home mom, you are building income from your kitchen, from your bedroom, from your sitting room, or anywhere you are, wherever you have an internet. You can make business from online. Can you imagine that? So you want to be intentional on how you build your social media platform from the very beginning. For business, it is very important that you pay attention to these points that I've given on to you. And I want you to remember this: you don't need to have everything figured out before you start. You just need to take the first step. Don't delay anymore. Start where you are with what you have. That phone in your hand. If you are ready to start your journey, you want to comment "start" below. I would love to connect with you, and let's grow together. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more content on building your digital business and growing with confidence. Before I go, I want to add a bonus point. When recording, speak like you are talking to one person. That will help you. Smile, and let your smile be natural. Don't rush. You don't need that. Pause between points. This makes your content feel personal and relatable, which is your strength. I want you to like it. I want you to comment. I also want you to share so that people out there that want to begin digital business will see it and be encouraged to start. So also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I want to network with you. I want to collaborate with you. And let's grow together and to become a proud digital entrepreneur. With that, we come to the end of today's video. Bye. See you in my next video.